So there is no other substitute than putting everyone going through the famous quote that we have is learn, unlearn, and relearn. First, start learning. There is no substitute to making yourself aware with the knowledge of artificial intelligence.
Correct.
So you have to start learning it, and you can learn best when you start use it. So organizations have already have their. So one of the biggest aspect of AI is the data, because you have the data flows up and goes into the open source, and which gets utilized, and somebody can misuse it. That's the biggest risk. So most of the organizations have started having their own AI platforms built, which keeps the data within the organization.
Correct.
But that has enabled the organization to give access to their employees, including legal department, for starting using the AI for various queries that get generated. So you are learning in that fashion. You have to unlearn the old ways of working. You cannot be wasting your time. You have to have the correlation between time and the output. When something can be achievable in an hour, you can't have a day's time for it, right?
Correct.
So your turnaround time will get redefined.
Correct.
And that can only happen when you start using the AI which is at your disposal. So unlearn the old ways of working, and start relearning the new ways of working, right? The new ways, and redefining the new ways of working as to how you would approach a particular problem which is part of the organization to solve it. So while the AI will give you an answer, you will have to invest significant portion of your time validating the output of the AI to ensure that it is in compliance with the law of the land, right? Because AI will pick up many things from the world, external as well as internal, and curate something, putting its own mind, may not be relatable to you. So you will have to start looking at it, and that's where the unlearning of the old ways and relearning of the new ways comes into play. So those are the things that everybody has to start, and I think most of the advanced companies who have figured out this have already started doing that. Microsoft Copilot licenses are there almost. Perplexity licenses are being used by most of the organization. So this is just to make everybody sensitized about how the AI will come. And I think we see CLM tools also being used across the industry. So more and more, earlier there used to be a lot of lawyers doing only contract work. I think those jobs have become redundant now. It is more of an advisory work now. So this is the transition that is imminent, and we will have to be supportive of this change. There's no
absolutely.